Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and to all the newbies, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Poshmark. I'm a little nervous about this, to be honest. Hey Paisley, the box is really small and I don't believe the bag is that small, so I'm a little nervous how this has been packaged. So I'm just gonna see if I can open it this way, since there's absolutely no tape on this. So let's see if I can get this open. She is super curious about what this is. I'm really upset this is in such a small box. Oh my goodness. I know, I'm hurrying. Okay. Well, it's in its dust bag. I forgot which side has my labels on it. Okay, so we want to do it this way. Yep, it is a Micheal Kors bag. Okay, nice dust bag. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. I have no idea what this is called. She did not have the label to it anymore. Look how pretty that is. I would say this is probably Merlot. If anybody knows for sure, let me know. But there's stuff on it. It's kind of dirty. Paisley kissed it. But other than that, because it's Safiano leather, looks like it's in relatively good condition. That could probably be cleaned, because it looks like it wants to just come off. So, true test, let's open it up. Okay. The inside looks nice and clean, mostly. And I'm sure I'm going to make it look worse than this. So, look at the pockets, and then the little zipper pocket. Oh, if this is the card, it's not. It just says it's leather. Okay. So, looks good. And then it's got side pockets here. Ugh. Get this open. I don't know what that is. It's kind of gross, and like a hairball. Like a hairball in there. Some weird stuff on the inside. And then there's this pocket. Another odd hairball at the bottom. But I think I could probably wipe this clean. But it was a really good price, and I'm happy with it. It's a cute little Micheal Kors tote. And a nice Safiano leather, which I'm going to just call Merlot for now. So, this is my latest Micheal Kors bag. And if you know what it's called, I'd appreciate it if you just leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.